What's the laziest way for beginners to make money online? That's one of the most common questions I get asked. And honestly, who doesn't want to earn good money with minimal effort? Imagine having the freedom to work from anywhere in the world. As someone with a business mindset, I'm here to leverage my knowledge and finally answer this burning question. In front of me, I have a grid set up that we're going to use to determine which online money-making method is truly the laziest. We'll evaluate each method across 5 key categories. First up is the learning curve. This refers to how long it takes before you start earning decent money. Ideally, we want this to be as short as possible so we can keep things truly lazy. Next, we have fulfillment. This is all about delivering whatever it is you're selling, and we want this process to be as simple as it can get. Then there's scalability. This measures how easily you can grow and make more money without adding extra work to your plate. After that, we look at startup capital, how much money you'll need to invest up front to get started. And finally, we'll assess the risk level. Higher risks usually mean more stress, which can drain you over time, even if the money seems easy to make. Today, we're diving into realistic money-making methods that can earn you over $100 a day. Forget about online surveys or transcription sites. Those pay next to nothing and just waste your time. Instead, let's explore some practical options. Method 1. Freelancing. First up, we have freelancing. This is all about leveraging your skills to earn money online by working directly with clients. There's a whole array of skills you can choose from, such as video editing, social media management, graphic design, copywriting, and website development. What's fantastic about freelancing is that you get to choose your projects and set your own work schedule. This flexibility is perfect for anyone looking to take control of when and where they work. Now, if you ask me, the best skill to focus on right now is video editing. With the explosion of digital content, there's a significant shortage of talented editors out there. How lazy is freelancing? Really? Let's break it down. Learning curve. I'd say you'll need about 6 months to start seeing good money. This time is essential for learning and building your portfolio. Fortunately, there are tons of tutorials on YouTube for popular skills like video editing, design, and copywriting, which can help you level up quickly. Fulfillment. Now, here's where things get a bit tricky. Dealing with clients one-on-one can be challenging. I remember when my son was freelancing as a video editor, he would vent every week about a client who kept asking for changes that, in his opinion, made the video worse. It was frustrating for him because he felt they just didn't understand his vision. But he had to keep his cool and make those changes anyway. It can be tough when you're passionate about a project and feel like someone is dragging it down. Scalability. When it comes to scalability, freelancing has its limits. Your income is directly tied to the hours you work. That means there's a cap on your earnings unless you either charge higher rates or hire others to help you out. The key to scaling is building a solid client base, which can lead to steady work. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are great for this. Fiverr is especially beginner-friendly since you can list your services without having to bid on jobs, while Upwork tends to have more competitive but often higher-paying projects. Startup capital. Startup costs are nearly zero if you have a computer and internet access. Your biggest investment is your time. While tools like Adobe Creative Suite can be beneficial for design or video editing, there are plenty of free or low-cost alternatives like Canva to help you get started. Risk. Finally, the risk here is pretty low. There's minimal upfront cost, and you're paid directly for each project. The main risk involves potentially inconsistent income, so you might need to put in some initial effort to establish a steady stream of clients. Overall, while freelancing isn't the laziest method out there, it can be a fantastic way to start making money online, especially if you're willing to invest the time to build your skills and client list. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, freelancing might just be the right path for you. Next, let's talk about a unique money-making method called Airbnb Arbitrage. This strategy allows you to earn a solid income by renting out a property you don't even own. Sounds intriguing, right? Here's how it works. Airbnb Arbitrage is all about renting a property on a long-term lease, then re-renting it short-term on platforms like Airbnb. You're essentially the middleman, making a profit from the difference between your monthly lease and the higher short-term rates you can charge guests. The best part? You don't have to own the property to make money. You'll need the landlord's permission, but surprisingly, many are open to it. Some landlords don't have the time or knowledge to manage Airbnb rentals themselves, so they're often glad to let someone else handle it for a share of the profit. How lazy is Airbnb arbitrage? Let's break it down. Learning curve. The learning curve is relatively short, around 1 to 3 months. During this time, you'll need to familiarize yourself with the Airbnb platform, local rental laws, and some basics of property management. The biggest initial task is finding the right property. Look for rentals in high-demand areas like tourist spots, near universities, or business districts. There are helpful tools like AirDNA that give insights into rental prices and occupancy rates, so you can make informed choices. Once you've found a promising spot, be sure to get written permission from the landlord to sublet on Airbnb to avoid any issues down the line. Fulfillment. In terms of effort, managing an Airbnb arbitrage setup is moderately challenging. While it's relatively hands-off, you'll still need to handle occasional guest issues, answer questions, and ensure check-ins and cleanings go smoothly. It's not a set-it-and-forget-it approach, but with the right system, it can be manageable. Consider using management software like Guesty or Hostfully. These tools help streamline bookings, communication, and check-ins, making your life easier and keeping guests happy. Scalability. Here's where Airbnb arbitrage really shines. It's highly scalable. As long as you have the resources to manage them, you can keep adding properties to your portfolio. The only real limit is how much time and cash you're willing to invest. Startup capital. Now let's talk costs. This method does require some upfront investment. You'll likely need around $5,000 to $15,000 for essentials like securing a lease, furnishing the property, and setting up cleaning services. Risk. Lastly, the risk factor. The main downside to Airbnb arbitrage is that upfront investment, which isn't guaranteed to pay off. However, with good management tools and careful planning, it can become a relatively hands-off income stream. In summary, Airbnb arbitrage is a fantastic option for those willing to put in a bit of initial work and investment. It's highly scalable and can be a lucrative side hustle or even a primary source of income. Let's dive into a popular side hustle, starting an eBay shop. If you're looking for a simple way to make money by selling products online, this might be your ticket. Whether it's vintage clothes, electronics, handmade items, or just stuff you no longer need, eBay's massive marketplace connects you to millions of potential buyers. No brick-and-mortar store needed. But here's the real question. How lazy is running an eBay shop? Let's find out. Method 3, an eBay shop. Setting up an eBay shop is pretty straightforward. The learning curve? About 2 weeks. First, you'll want to decide what kind of products to sell. Are you into vintage clothing, collectibles, electronics, or something else? Use eBay's search tool to research what's popular and in demand within your niche. Once you've decided, it's time to create your eBay seller account and start sourcing products. You could begin by selling items from around the house you no longer need, or if you want to scale up, consider ordering items you've noticed selling well from sources like DHgate. Getting set up and sourcing products should only take a couple of weeks. Fulfillment. The difficulty level here is medium. You'll handle shipping yourself, and from time to time, you may need to address customer issues like returns or inquiries about products. Speaking from experience, it's always better to send a replacement or issue a refund, even if you suspect a scam. This helps keep your eBay account in good standing, which is key to success. Once you get the hang of it, managing these occasional challenges just becomes part of the process. Scalability. One of the best parts about an eBay shop is its scalability. You can continually add new products, and there's no real limit to how much you can sell. As your business grows, you might even consider branching out to other platforms like Etsy or Amazon, or creating multiple eBay shops for different niches. Startup capital. To get going, you'll need around $500 in startup capital. This will cover your initial stock. You can find great deals at thrift stores, seasonal sales, or wholesale suppliers like DHgate. Starting with a few carefully chosen items in a popular niche will set you up for a good launch without breaking the bank. Risk. In terms of risk, this one is medium. Your main risk is putting money into inventory that may not sell quickly. However, if you research and stay on top of trends, you can minimize this risk significantly. All in all, an eBay shop is a pretty lazy money-making method. Simple to set up, scalable, and flexible. It's a fantastic option for those looking to make some side income or even build a full-scale business over time. But it's not perfect, so let's keep exploring for even lazier income streams. Let's break down a classic money-making strategy: Affiliate marketing. If you want a way to earn without dealing with inventory, shipping, or customer service, this one's for you. Affiliate marketing lets you make money by promoting other people's products or services. You get paid a commission for every sale made through your referral link. It's a win-win. You help someone make a sale, and you earn a slice of the profit. Method 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simple to set up and doesn't require you to handle products, making it a hassle-free way to earn. Let's see how it stacks up against the other methods. How lazy is affiliate marketing? Learning curve. The learning curve is extremely short, about 1 to 2 days. All you really need to do is sign up for affiliate programs on platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Impact. Each of these platforms has a wide range of companies offering different commissions, so take a look to find products that fit your niche or audience. Once you have your affiliate links, you can start thinking about ways to drive traffic to them. Fulfillment. The fulfillment is as easy as it gets. After sharing your affiliate links, your job is done. No order processing, no customer service. Just passive earnings if someone makes a purchase through your link. This makes affiliate marketing a low-stress way to earn extra cash. Scalability. Affiliate marketing is highly scalable. You can promote as many products as you like, and as your audience grows, so can your earnings. In the past, people used paid ads to scale their affiliate links, but today, organic short-form content is the way to go. The reach you can get on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts is massive. Just think of how quickly Andrew Tate gained popularity. People were clipping his videos and sharing them with affiliate links, driving thousands of dollars in passive income. While I'm not endorsing his course, it's a great example of how powerful this method can be. Startup capital. You can get started with as little as $250, though you could start with less if you're willing to create the content yourself. With $250, you can outsource some quality short-form content to promote your affiliate link. This is a smart way to lay a foundation and start building up passive income organically before considering paid ads. Risk. Affiliate marketing has a very low risk level. With no inventory to manage and minimal upfront costs, you won't be stressed about unsold stock or customer issues. This makes it one of the least risky ways to earn online. Affiliate marketing is about as lazy as it gets. Low risk, low cost, and incredibly scalable. It's an ideal choice for anyone looking to earn passively without the usual hassles of running a business. That said, let's keep exploring. We might find an even lazier way to make money. Last and final method is as hands-off as it gets. Setting up an AI-built Shopify store. With this approach, you can launch an e-commerce store, have winning products selected automatically, and automate inventory and fulfillment, all thanks to AI. Learning curve, practically zero. This setup is incredibly beginner-friendly. Head over to Build Your Store. I'll drop the link in the description, and click Start Your Free Store. From there, it walks you through every step, starting with simple info like your name and email. Next, you'll choose a niche. Options like fashion, electronics, and pets are all there. Picking a niche that aligns with your interests can help when it comes to promoting your store later on. The AI even helps with the look of your store. You can choose banners, layouts, and color schemes to make everything look polished and professional. Once you're ready, you'll connect to Shopify by following the prompts. And if you use the link in the description, you'll access a 3-day free trial, followed by 3 months at only $1 per month. The platform handles all the setup, so you won't need any tech know-how to get started. For fulfillment, this is a breeze, especially if you sign up for AutoDS. Don't worry. Build Your Store will prompt you to use this tool, which takes care of everything. It handles adding trending products to your store, updating prices and images, and even shipping items directly to your customers. If you're looking to build passive income, AutoDS is fantastic for hands-off management. So if you go through this process using the link in the description, you'll also get a trial on AutoDS for only 99 cents. You'll need to enter a payment method to activate it, but you're only charged $99 to get started, giving you a stress-free way to try it out and see if it's a good fit. Scalability. When it comes to scalability, this method has massive potential. You can keep adding products to your store with AutoDS to keep it fresh. And since they handle the logistics, you can scale up without worrying about fulfillment hassles. Just $1.99. To start, all you need is $1 to activate your Shopify account and 99 cents for the AutoDS trial. The AI tool that builds your store is entirely free, so you're looking at an upfront cost of less than $2 to launch. Risk level? Almost none. With such minimal startup costs, the risk level here is incredibly low. Even if you decide that this method isn't for you, the tiny investment makes it an easy choice to test out. If you want a scalable, low-effort way to make money online, an AI-built Shopify store might be perfect. It's passive income you can manage from anywhere without needing to be an influencer, invest heavily, or handle shipping yourself. And if you're looking for more ways to earn passive income, check out my video on 5 easy passive income ideas for 2025. You won't want to miss it, but don't click on it just yet. Make sure to hit subscribe if you're serious about growing your wealth. All right, I'll see you over there.